Love for the companions of the beloved Prophet, peace be upon him, was unrivaled and unparalleled in nature. At the time of the Treaty of Hudaybiyah, from the side of non-Muslims, Urwa bin Masud, who had not yet accepted the religion Islam, who had not yet embraced the religion Islam, he went along with the envoy to the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, and what he witnessed there amazed him completely. And he stated when he went back to the non-Muslims that I have been to the big emperor's kingdoms. I have seen many kingdoms. I have seen the courts of many kings, from the Najashi to the Kasra to Najashi. I have seen many kingdoms. I have seen courts of many kings, but I have not seen the degree of respect which is observed and maintained in the court of the beloved Prophet, peace be upon him, which is amazingly, which is different from all others. Urwa bin Masud states that when I went to the court of the beloved Prophet, peace be upon him, I witnessed that the companions of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, the companions of Muhammad, they would not let even the slightest drop of the wuzu, they would not let the water that was used for the wuzu of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, they would not allow even a single droplet of that water to be dropped on the floor. That then, O people, how could you expect that those followers would allow you to spill the blessed blood of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him? Those companions who cannot even tolerate that the slightest drop of the water with which the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, performed his ablution, that fell onto the floor, when they cannot tolerate that water droplet to be fallen onto the floor, how can they tolerate that the blood of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, be spilled onto the floor? And hence Urwa bin Masud expressed his opinion to the non-Muslims that, O non-Muslims, do not even think of waging war against the leader of the Muslims, because they have a different degree of respect and respect and love that they hold for the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. And when Urwa bin Masud went to the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, as part of the convoy at the time of Treaty of Hudaybiyah, and whenever he approached the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, and he tried to hold the blessed beard of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, there was an armed person who was in armor. Only his eyes could be seen from that armor. He used to hit the butt of his sword to Urwa bin Masud, and upon that Urwa bin Masud used to say that, who is this person who is such a rough person and is such a strong person that he hits me with his swords, but whenever I try to hold the blessed beard of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him.
Subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, and don't forget to like, comment and share this video.
The Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, he smiled and stated that, O Urwa bin Masud, he is your own nephew.